everyone, welcome back to my channel. For my new subscribers, you're highly welcome. I appreciate you. And for my oldies, thank you so much for always sticking around. Love you guys so much. So in this channel, we'll do DIY projects and review of products. So today I have a candle making kit I got from Amazon. It cost me about $15.99 for this kit, and I'm gonna link it below in the description in case you're interested in purchasing it. So right now, this is how it looks on the inside. That is what the kit comes with, and we're gonna start with the very first product, which is candle wicks. Basically, wicks are what helps the candle to burn. that's just it. So that's how it looks like. Next on the line, we have the wooden center devices. It kind of helps the wicks in place and keeps it in center. That way it makes your candle pretty and professional. Next on the box, from the box we have the candle dials. It comes in 5 different colors: royal blue, grape violet, the brilliant yellow. I love this color so much. I'm gonna make a video on how I make the candles. I hope you stay tuned for that. And then we'll have the fresh rose and the light green. So these are the dyes that come in the kit. Next, from the box we have our essential oils. They come in a set of 3. We have the rose, the lemon, and the lavender. I really love the smell of the lemon. As for the rose, not that much, it's not that strong, but the lemon actually worked for me and I really loved it. So that's how it comes from the pack, and I just opened it right now and just smell it a little bit. The smell was just so beautiful. I loved it. So next we're gonna be looking at the next content from the box, and it is gonna be our mixing spoon. Basically, this is what is gonna help us stir our wax while we prepare it for melting, as well as adding our dye and our essential oils. So next from the box we have the candle tins. The kit comes with 3 of these tins. They're so beautiful. I love the shape, I love the design, and then the color choices as well. It was really easy working with this one. As I said earlier, I'm gonna make a video on how I make the candles and show you guys, so stay tuned. So this is the second one out of the pack, and that's the third one right there, and I'm gonna show you in a little bit. They're pretty much the same size, and as you see, they're really cute. I really love them. I love the design and the flowery concept of the tins. So yeah, that's how they look right now as I'm showing you in the video. So next from the box we're gonna have our measuring cup, and this is about 600 milliliters. So this is what we use in melting our wax and pouring the finished product of our candle into the tin. So this is how it looks like. It's really lightweight, easy to carry, easy to clean. I really love it. It can really contain so much. So the next in the kit we have our soybean wax. This wax is so soft. I really loved it. So while making my candles, I noticed it was easier for me to use this while I was making candles with tins than using like a silicone mold or something like that. It was really difficult working with a silicone mold and using soy wax, but with the tin it was perfect. So this is 3 packs, and 1 pack is gonna fit in 1 tin. That's what I ended up realizing at the end of the day. So next on the pack we have our warning stickers. So basically you just put it underneath your tin. That's just to like give warning about being careful and all of that. The next we have our glue stickers. This was gonna glue the wick to the bottom of the tin and get it to stand up in the center. And I love the fact that this kit comes with instruction manual. Like it gives you a list of everything that's inside, as well as it gives you a brief walkthrough on how to make a candle. So this is the product from the kit. I hope you really love this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you're gonna purchase this and try making candles at home. Please stay tuned for part 2 of this video, as I'll be walking you through how I make my candles. I hope you loved it. See you next time. Stay safe. Bye bye.